Now, let us discuss about the differences between C and Java. So, first point, C is procedure oriented programming language. In short, procedure oriented programming can be called as POP. Procedure means a function. We know about function. Function contains set of statements. Functions are mainly useful for reusability purpose. So C is completely based on the functions. Here the more preference will be given to the functions, whereas Java is object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming means WOOP. It is completely based on the objects. Java is completely based on the objects. Object means instance of the class. Every object will contain some variables. Next, second point, C is platform dependent language, whereas Java is platform independent language. Why C is called as platform dependent language? Here we have a compiler. Compiler translates that source program into the mission code. That mission code depends only on the corresponding operating system only. So let it is Windows operating system. So now what will happen? The compiler translates source program to mission code. We can execute that mission code only on Windows operating system. We can't execute that mission code on other operating systems like Linux or Apple. So here the point is, here the mission code depends only on the operating system. So that's why we can say that C is platform dependent. So platform means it is depending on the operating system platform. Whereas Java is platform independent. So here also we have compiler. Compiler translates source program to bytecode. So here we have bytecode. Instead of mission code, we have bytecode. In order to execute the program, we use JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Without making a single modification on the bytecode, we can execute this bytecode on any operating system. Let us assume that we have executed our program on Windows operating system. Then that bytecode will be executed on other operating systems like Macintosh, Linux, Apple. On any operating system we can work. Next, third point, here the memory is allocated by using with malloc function, whereas the memory is removed with the help of the free function. So these two are memory management functions if you use C, whereas if you use Java, for memory allocation we use new operator. For deallocation, for releasing the memory, we can use delete operator. As well as Java supports automatic garbage collector. If an object is not used for longest period of time, then automatically this garbage collector will freeze that memory. So that memory is useful for storing some other variables. So automatic, the name itself specifies the meaning. So this garbage collector will automatically comes into the picture. If an object is not used for longest period of time, it automatically frees the memory for the object. So that memory is useful for storing some other variables. Next point, C supports pointers. So the most difficult concept in C language is pointers. C supports pointers. But Java doesn't support pointers. So this is the major advantage of the Java. We don't have pointers concept in Java. Next point, C provides libraries for system programming. So system programming means operating system programming. In order to use the operating system in a effective manner, we can develop so many programs. All those programs are called as system programs. Operating system is system program, assembler is system programmer, debugger is system program, Excel is system program, Windows next. Microsoft Word is a system program. In order to use that system in an efficient manner, C provides various libraries, various header file functions, various header files we have. But the header files are very limited when compared with Java library. Java, here fifth point, Java provides various libraries for developing web applications, mobile applications, cloud based applications, desktop applications. So with the help of the C we can develop only system programs, whereas with the help of Java we can develop desktop application, mobile application, web application, cloud based application also. Okay. So next point, C is faster. This is the only advantage of C when compared with Java. Java is slower when compared with C, whereas C is very faster. In C what is happening? The source program. The source program will be converted to the mission code. That mission code is closer to the hardware. So CPU executes those instructions in a faster manner. So that's why we can say that C is very faster when compared with Java, whereas Java is slower. Why? Because in Java what is happening? The compiler is translating the source program to the bytecode. Next JVM comes into the picture. JVM executes that program with the help of just-in-time compiler. We have a compiler called JIT, just-in-time compiler, in order to improve the efficiency. So for that it will take more time than C. Next, C is not portable, whereas Java is portable. If you take Java, then we can execute that bytecode on any operating system. We can port that bytecode to any operating system without making a single modification on the bytecode. We can execute the corresponding program. Whereas C is not portable. We can execute that program only in that operating system only. On other operating systems, we can't execute that C program. So that's why it is called as, it is not a portable language. Here it depends upon only that platform only. On other platforms, we can't execute. Next point, C doesn't support exception handling, inheritance, multi-threading. So all these concepts are supported by Java. Java supports exception handling with the help of try, catch, throw. Finally, it supports all the exceptions, and it supports inheritance. We have various inheritances techniques, and for multi-threading also there are so many built-in methods. But in C also we have multi-threading, but there are no built-in methods for multi-threading. But here we have so many built-in methods, like we have sleep method, thread method, in order to handle the multiple threads. There are so many threads in Java. Next, C is less safe when coming to the this memory management. Java is more safe. Why? Because in Java we have JVM. JVM will take care of the memory safety. There are so many memory safety features are there in JVM. So JVM is more safer when compared with C, whereas C is less safer. With the help of the C, we can develop system programming applications. System programming means operating system related applications. Whereas with the help of the Java, we can develop desktop application. Desktop application means we can execute the application only inside the computer in which it is installed. Okay. Mobile application means we can execute that application on any mobile. Web application means with the help of the web, with the help of the internet, we can execute that application throughout the world. So these are various differences between C and Java.